Hey there, it's Matthew with Finsanto again. 4x4, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. Are they all the same? Are they different? What is this magic? Let's talk about it. There are many ways that vehicles drive forward or backward. The most common you'll see is front-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive. It does exactly what it says in the name, so let's talk about what the driveline looks like in other applications. A four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles boast better safety on the road and increased handling in snow and mud. While we don't get much, if any, snow, it's still fun to drive off-road or go to the beach. So this is where four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles thrive. 4x4 and four-wheel drive is interchangeable. In these setups, the driver can select between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is seen in more and more vehicles today, especially Subarus, and simply means that all four wheels are powered at all times. Let's talk about components you'll have in these drivelines and what maintenance is needed. After your engine sends power through the transmission, it needs to be split to the front and rear of the vehicle. So vehicles use what is called a transfer case. In a four-wheel drive vehicle, this transfer case has settings that can be adjusted to send the power to just the back wheels or all four wheels. After the transfer case splits the power, it needs to be split again to each wheel on the front and rear. This is done through a differential on the front and rear axles. Fun fact, if the car's engine is in the front, but it's a rear-wheel drive, it will also have a differential. If the engine is still in the front, but it's a front-wheel drive vehicle, the differential is part of the transmission. Transfer cases and differentials have gear oil in them that helps everything move smoothly. This fluid splashes around to lubricate everything and, like engine oil, needs to be replaced from time to time. Not changing the differential and transfer case fluid can lead to gear wear and eventually make the whole system break. Ouch. Glitter is always bad in lubricating fluids. In short, it doesn't have glitter when it's put in, so the only way glitter gets in is from metal shavings. If glitter is found in your oil, do not celebrate. Steps will need to be taken to limit further wear or fix worn parts. Differentials and transfer cases need to be taken care of properly. If you hear a noise or just want to keep up on your maintenance, don't hesitate to drop by and let us take a look at your driveline. We want your vehicle to take care of you for many years to come. That's why here at Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.